Hey, welcome back all you DIYers. Hey, today we get to work on a truck here again today. The fuel filter on here has now down to about 1%, and we need to get both of them changed out. So I got them ordered online. They did come the other day, and we're going to get ready to change them out. So, hey, let's get started. And hey, before we do that, go down, hit that subscribe button, hit me some thumbs up, and if you got any questions or anything else that comes up as we go through this, hey, give me some comments down below. I'll give you everything I know. And let's get through this thing together, man. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see right down in here, get my hand down there. You can see the screwdriver that's down here and the socket that's on top. That 1 1/8" socket is the one that takes off the top of that fuel filter. It's a cartridge that needs to be replaced. The screwdriver down there is the release or relief that'll let the pressure off of it, and you can drain some of the diesel out. I do have a catch can that's down there that's catching that down at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to take this out and show you what it looks like when it comes out. Alright, so I got the cap off right there. Reach down here and grab the filter out. And there is the old one. Here's a new one that's going to be going back in. Thing we're going to remember, there is a rubber seal that's in there, and we absolutely need to replace that. There's the old one. We're going to got that new seal put on there. We'll put this back in. All right, so now we're here at the back. Fuel filter that we have to work on right up here. Right here is the plug that comes off here. It's going to be easier just to work with that if it's already disconnected. We're going to go ahead and drain it off of the bottom. Alright, so here we are at the bench. Need to take off this O-ring that was on the bottom bar by the sensor. Take that one off. Here's a new one. Slide it down over there. Good idea just to make sure everything's nice and clean, just so when you go to put it back in, if there happens to be a leak, you'll be able to find where it's at. Alright, so there we are. We're right back where we were. We'll take this filter right back up to where it was. Screw it back in. You're plugged back in. Go back up. We're going to cycle it about 3 times and make sure it starts. All right, so we've had her running here for just a little bit and no leaks. Everything looks great. So I need to go through. There's my fuel filter. That was down to 1%, so real easy to do. Of course, hold the button. Confirm to cancel. I want to, okay. Move on, 99%. We'll start back over. There we go. All right, hey, there we go. We got her all finished up, and hey, that wasn't too bad of a project. Didn't take too long to get her done, and we got both the fuel filters all changed out, and we're ready to go. It's getting a little colder here in Iowa, so definitely a good time to get her done. So hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Go down, hit that subscribe button. Give me some comments if you want some questions or if I can answer them, and we'll see you next time.